from Alaminos, and her name is Miss Cynthia Michelle Albion Dominguez. She's representing the city of Alaminos. Miss Cynthia. Cynthia is escorted by her mother Sherry and grandfather Victor Abriam. Mrs. Imelda Perez is the president of Apanoca, Alaminos, Pangasinan, of Northern California. Cynthia is 15 years old and was born in Vallejo, California. She will be a sophomore this upcoming school year at the Pathways Charter School in Vallejo. She has received school awards from the Society of Patrol and belongs to a book club and Filipino club. She enjoys ballet, dancing, and acting. Her ambition is to be involved in the performing arts. Recently, she was cast in the Vallejo Music Theater's production of Annie, which will have a total of 9 performances. Modeling is another activity she is involved in. She's done photo shoots, and the most recent shows she's had a chance to model is in the Runway Doll, which is a clothing line, Aveda Hair Products, and Oribe. Thank you, Miss Cynthia Abriam Dominguez, representing the city of Alaminos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause. Our next candidate is Miss Arden Cindy Ferreras Mendoza, representing the town of Dagupan City. Woo! Miss Arden Cindy Ferreras Mendoza is escorted by Mark Mendoza, her father from Dagupan City, and her grandmother, Fidela Mendoza. Mrs. Marlene Garibay is the president of DCANC, the Dagupan City Association of Northern California. Arden, as she is fondly called, is 17 years old and was born in San Diego, California. This fall, she will be attending her senior year of high school at the Notamas Charter School in Sacramento. She attends the Performing and Fine Arts Academy, where she participates in the vocal, music, and visual arts programs. Her extracurricular activities are vocal ensemble and ballet. She received Vocal Music Award and was first place in the Miss Teen Fiesta Filipino. Her hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, cooking, and playing the piano and guitar. Arden is dedicated and loves to be around children, which is seen when she helps out in her family's daycare. On her leisure time, she enjoys doing volunteer work at various charities. Her ambition is to be an orthodontist, music major, or dermatologist. Thank you, Miss Arden Cindy Ferreras Mendoza, representing the town of Dagupan City. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause. Our third candidate is Miss Hannah Fausto, representing the town of Lingayen. I apologize. Lingayen. Miss Hannah Fausto is being escorted by her parents Nelia from Lingayen and Eduardo from Bicol. Hannah is 19 years old and was born in Alameda, California. She has 2 older siblings, a brother Austin and sister Faith, who is her role model. In addition, she has 3 small dogs that she loves to take care of and spend time with. She's taking interior design at the Chabot College in Hayward and hopes to transfer at the San Diego State University. She's very active with the youth choir at the Lady of Good Counsel Church. Her hobbies are playing the piano and guitar. She loves to sing, read, paint, and hanging out with friends. Her ambition is to have a career in the music industry as a singer or a songwriter. She also wants to share her talent of music with others. Thank you, Ms. Hannah Fausto, representing the town of Nidea. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give her a big round of applause. Our next candidate is Ms. Kayla June Soriano Mendoza, representing the town of Malasiki. She's escorted by June Mendoza from Los Vatos and her sister Christy Mendoza. Mr. Jack Joaquin is the president of Malasiki Association. Kayla June is 21 years old and was born in Berkeley, California. When she was a baby, her father called her Junie because her father anticipated a boy. She is in junior college taking biological sciences, with focus in clinical laboratory sciences at the California State University in Sacramento. She is an active member of Kappa Psi Epsilon, a Filipino sorority, and served as fundraising chair in 2011 and currently is the organization's secretary and sergeant at arms. In high school, Kayla was also the captain of the Hercules Titan golf team and also participated in school musicals. Her hobbies are playing the piano, playing golf, and basketball. One of her favorite foods is her mom's specialty, which is pinakbet with pink agoong. And one day she dreams of traveling the world and go skydiving. Thank you, Ms. Kayla June Mendoza, representing the town of Malasiki. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause. Our next candidate is Ms. Raylene Chanel Mamaraglo Gumpal, representing the town of Manaoag. She is escorted by her parents Richard and Cindy Gumpal. Engineer Mike de Guzman is the president of Manaoag California Residents Association. Cindy, as she is fondly called, is 15 years old and was born in San Francisco, California. She has 3 siblings, sisters Reina and Rachel, and brother Roman. She is a recent 8th grade graduate with honors and will be a freshman at Balboa High School in San Francisco for 4 years. At the age of 3, her family discovered her natural singing talent. She has performed in numerous school fundraising and talent shows while attending Paul Revere Middle School. Her ambition is to attend UC Berkeley and dream of becoming a fashion designer and own her own clothing line. Thank you, Ms. Raylene Chanel Mamaraglo Gumpal, representing the town of Manaoag. Ladies and gentlemen, give her a round of applause. And our final candidate is Ms. Sydney May Macareg, representing San Carlos City. Eliza and Cesar Macareg. Mr. Romulo Arenas is the president of San Carlos City Association. Cindy is 17 years old and was born in San Jose, California. She has a younger brother named Joshua. She just graduated from Ann Sobrado High School in Morgan Hills. Congratulations, class of 2012. Cindy is very active in school. She was the vice president of Pacific Asian Student Union. She was also a dancer for the junior division of MVP San Jose. She's also active in community involvement. She danced for charity shows and volunteered at St. John the Baptist Church and helps out with the PAC 270 for Boy Scouts. She loves dancing, music, cooking, and staying a positive role model. In 2008, Sydney was crowned Miss Dacopena, and that in her wildest dreams, did she think she would join a prestigious event representing San Carlos City in honor of her beloved grandfather, Cesar Macaraeg. Thank you, Miss Sydney Macaraeg, representing San Carlos City. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her and all the candidates a big round of applause.